Hello guys, today we're going to cover one topic from the RHCE exam, and today we are going to see the database service. So these four topics for related with database: install and configure Mariadb, backup and restore database, create a simple database schema, and perform simple SQL queries against a database. So let's start. I have two servers. This is my second one. This 174 is RH. The host name, let me show you. Host name is a RHEL73C, and this one is totally RHEL73 only. So let's start. Just install the right RPMs with the group. When I say group groups install Mariadb Mariadb-client. Okay, I'm gonna install the same RPM on my second server. Groups install -y Mariadb client. Okay, there we go. I found the right group. Installing. You see, this is the group that you can install. Is the Mariadb database server. So now, okay, next step, you need to just enable the service. The service is gonna be Mariadb service, and also you can start the service. This is very important before start running this. After you install a new service, it's very important you start the application and enable the application. Okay, so now, okay, this is successfully installed. I want to do the same thing here. I'm gonna say system and enable Mariadb, and also will say start Mariadb. Okay, now after the service successfully running and installed, you need to perform a post installation. You need to run the MySQL secure installation. You need to follow the steps. It's gonna be enter the current root password, enter. It's now set root password, yes, new password. I want to type a new password, and remove anonymous user, yes, and this allow root login remotely. When I say yes, and remove test database and access to it, yes, and reload privilege tables now, yeah, why not? Okay, right now everything was have been set up. So but let me do one thing before. I need to run the firewall. Let me open the firewall for this service, because I will need it for the testing at -service, and the service gonna be normal. It's not Mariadb, it's MySQL. Okay, and now let me do a firewall cmd --reload, and also with reload. I also want to do the firewall -cmd and -list -all. I want to see everything. Okay, I need another success, and now I need the list. You see the MySQL service is right there. Okay, now let's connect to the database. So you can connect to the database using MySQL -u for user root. If I type enter now, it say, hey, what is the root password for this username, for this user, for user root, because I set the user password for this for user root. Now you need to append -p, the prompt for the password, and now I have all the password. This is I am my SQL, or I am my Mariadb now. So first command that you want to just see is going to be show databases. Show database, semicolon, and you want to see 3 databases. On that case, I'm going to create a new database, right? I'm going to say create database, right? Let's see if I create a database called address book or something related with this. I mean, related with this practice. I'm gonna say create a database called let's say cars, right? Yeah, why not cars? Okay, column. Now I create a new database. If I say show databases, I say the database called cars. Okay. Okay, now we are going to use this database. I'm going to say use cars. It's no autocomplete. Okay, now you are on cars. You see the difference here on this side. Okay. Okay, now let's keep going. Now we say show tables. Let me see if because this is the brand new database, there are no tables in there. So let's create a table like number, make, year, we see. Okay, let's say like create table, right? Create table. I want to say the table, the name of the table. The name of the table say inventory. Okay, it's gonna be a table inventory inside the database cars. And the data for this inventory, let me try to move this my I don't know why I can move this. Oh yeah, I know now. Oh yes, I can move it. Let me, because I want to show you. Yeah, you can see everything now. Okay, I want to say the inventory. It's gonna be like the data for this inside this table. The first file gonna be number. I want to say O, right? Why not? I want to say lowercase the number, and the type of the field is gonna be int. Int means it's gonna be numbers, and the second field gonna be make, and this make was say bar char and say 30 characters, and the third field gonna be and city. I want to just say something city, right? And the city gonna be same bar char. I'm gonna say like 20. Okay, I want to use just 3 fields, and I want to use no more. I want to close because I open the first name. I will say semicolon, enter. Now I have a new table. I say show tables. You see the table inventory. tables in cars. In cars means tables in the database, cars. Okay, how to see the things inside this table? You're gonna say this. Describe. Okay, inventory. Oh, sorry, it's a typo. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Okay, now describe inventory. I'm gonna say a number, a make. No, I say make. It's all right. Don't worry. Make me models. Okay, let me do like a drop table inventory. Oh, sorry. Oh, gonna fail. Oh, let me connect again to the database. Use cars. Oh, right. Use cars is that one. Okay. Inventory. Oh, okay. Forget. Okay, when I say drop and table inventory. I want to say show tables. It's empty. I dropped the table. So let's create like the same table. I want to say not make. I want to say like the name is going to be model, right? Make is fine, but it's alright. Okay, I'm going to take this. Okay, now describe inventory. Okay, when this happens, you can just type the semicolon, or in order, because it's the same command if you use the in the previous one. Okay, I have 3 fields. So now we create a database, we create a table, and now let's see how to insert data on this table, right? When I say insert into, you want to say inventory, okay? But in the case, I want to say on which field, on number. I want to use number, and I'm going to use the use the model. I want to use also the city, right? Close, and say values. The values gonna be okay, number 1, and second field I want to say Chevy, and the third field gonna be Las Vegas. Is where I'm located. When I close, oh I know, Chevy column model. Oh, sorry. Probably he wants the space. What? Oh, yeah. Sometimes that happens. Need to be very careful when you add data on these fields. So I'm gonna say now describe, right? Inventory. Oh, this is the same. But how to see the value of this table? You're gonna say select start from, from inventory. You can see this one. I'm gonna create a few more fields. So I'm gonna just replace here. I say GMC. I wanna say Miami. I want to say another one like 3, just 3, and Audi, and one more gonna be on the city. Is gonna be like Texas. Okay, now if I say select from, I have 3 entries. So this is how you enter data on this on the table. So let's create a new another one, and I'm going to show how to remove data. I'm going to say like VMW. I from the city like Miami again. So see, now if you want to remove one field from this table, it's just need to run the right query. You're gonna say delete, right? From where? From inventory. And now you need to select where. You're going to delete the number, right? Equals 1. Equals, I'm gonna say equal 4. I'm gonna say boom, and now when you run the query, you delete the data. This is how you insert and how do you delete. If I'm going to delete number 1, I'm gonna say delete number 1, and now you delete the number 1. Let me add another entry, like say number 1. I'm gonna say, let's say this is Chevy from Las Vegas. Now there we go, my data. See? Oh, this is how you insert data on the table and delete also. Okay, now let's say how to create the users that can manipulate this database of table. There are two ways for create this user. I'm going to create like 3 users. One for local access only, and 2 more one for local. Yeah, I want to create 3 users. You want to see how that I do this. So in that case, I want to use the same database. Oh well, we'll create the user first. It's create. It's very easy. Create user. I want to say SQL user 1, and this is the more important thing. Add. I want to say from localhost only. If you say localhost, you say localhost, right? Identify it by, right? Be careful with the typos or the spelling. Identify by, and now you type the password. I'm gonna say SQL. Yeah, I'm gonna say user 1. No, the same thing. SQL user 1. Boom. Oh, forget the semicolon. Boom. There you go. Now I'm gonna create a user 2. In that case, when I change for 2, I want to say like I say user 2, but in that case the user gonna have access from everywhere. So in that case you will need to put a quote, single quote, %, and close quote. In that case you're gonna give a full access from everywhere, or this user can manage this table or this database from any network. Right, if the database is accessible by the network. Okay, I'm gonna say enter. I'm gonna create another one. User, in this case, user 3. Oh, sorry, user 3. Add with the same thing. So far we have 3 users, 1 user localhost and 2 users more with from everywhere. Okay. After you create the user, it's very important to flush privileges. Privileges. I always confuse on this word. Say Okay, and oh, right syntax, I know. Our flush. Oh, Roy, privilege. There you go. So this is the first thing after you create the users. Now let's verify this. So let's go to second host, right? I want to say my sql dash u sql user2, right? At user2, I'm gonna say -p. I wanna say, oh, let me just a second. I want to read the documentation. Oh, it's too. Let me see. Oh, right, it's too many documentation at this point. SSL path, password, and host. Connect to host name. Okay. Looks -h. Okay, let's try. MySQL -u gonna be MySQL user2 -h. So 122.131. Let's say the local is RHCE 73, right? -p. Oh, MySQL password for this user, right? I want to say SQL user2. Now just wait. Gonna be like I connecting to that table on that. Okay, just waiting. It's taking too long. Okay, just welcome back. Oh, a prompt, I think. Oh. Okay. Let me connect by IP address. Probably it's gonna be the problem. Oh, SQL user 2. Oh, wrong password. Let me double check the password. SQL. And the user is wrong, is SQL, not MySQL. SQL, yeah, SQL user and the password. Oh, sorry about that. No, SQL user 2. There we go. I connect to that database on this server. So how can you verify? You can see show databases. Why can I see this database? I don't know now. By connecting to the host. Oh, you know now? Okay, let me exit from here. And now you have the 3 users. We have the database and the table. Now you need to grant privilege or permissions for these users to that tables. Okay, in that case you have 3 users. So let's say for user 1, I'm gonna say just select, just allow to query the table. I'm gonna say grant, right? Select on. In that case, you're gonna say cars that inventory is gonna be like the path to the table, or you just can say like cars, to inventory, or just cars and start. I'm gonna say cars inventory first. Grant select on cars to whom? To SQL user 1, right? And by user 1 is at localhost. right? And column. There you go. And now let's say for user 2, we say select, update, insert, and delete on cards inventory 2, and is that way. So I'm gonna say for ground for select, insert, or update and delete on this table, this table on this database, to SQL user 2. Boom. I want to say the same thing for user 3, but just select. No delete, not insert, no update. Okay, now let's go. Oh, enter. Sorry, my keyboard. Okay, now let's go back here to this one. Let's connect as user 2 is SQL user 2. I'm going to say show databases, and you can see the database cards that you don't see it before. So I want to say use cards, why not? Okay, but user 2 has a have grants, like everything. He can do everything. So I want to say show, I want to say show tables. I know the table, but I want to say show table. Okay, now describe inventory. Right? All right. Okay. Select start from inventory. Okay, let me insert. I want to add my card. Insert right into inventory. I want to use the number, the model, and also the city. Okay, values. I'm gonna say like say number 1 column. I'm gonna say is my model is gonna be Volkswagen, and I'm gonna say I'm from city the Houston. No, something like that. Oh, column. There we go. I say select. So this I have my own. I put a number 1. Oh, let's say number. Yeah, it's fine. If I say the thing here, it's gonna be select, right? Start from inventory. Have there. Sweet. So now let's try to use the same thing but as user 3, right? Okay, let's go to RHCE. I'm gonna use user 3, connect to the same host. I'm gonna say like it's a SQL user 3. Okay, show databases. Use cards. Show tables. Okay, describe inventory. Okay, now try to insert. Say you have number 4, the same card but on different city. Oh, column. Say I can see insert command denied to user on this host for table inventory. Same thing. See, user deny. So this is how you create users and give grant permissions to the table, and how do you connect also to the table. There are another thing that you can do on the settings on the MySQL, and it's gonna be like let's create a backup first. So in order to create a backup, so now we see install and configure, and we create a simple database schema, and we perform simple SQL queries against database. So we can show everything. Let's say how to create backup and restore. I'm going to create a backup on this server. I'm going to restore on this server. Okay. So let's say it's a MySQL SQL dump. Oh, MySQL dump. Okay, and -u user root as for password, and I'm gonna say cars. Oh, you can say -- all databases. You can use this syntax and like append to another place, like I want to say tmp database 1-dump, right? Or the password root for root, if not, or you can say this, right? But instead say all database, you can say cars. This is the name of the database. I want to say database 2, right? Password. Boom. And now let me copy this over the other host. Source CP, I'm going to say source CP tmp, and say database just 2 start to RH. I want to say the IP address because I don't have my column. I want to say we'll put on TMP. Oh, no, it's on TMP. Okay, then prompt for the password, blah blah blah. Just wait. Okay, here let's. Oh, here you go. Yes. Now let's here connect to. It's a MySQL -u root and without password, because in this server I don't run the MySQL secure installation. So that's why I can log in without password as root. So here we go, the password for the another server. Now I copied it both. Now let's verify. ls-l tmp is a data star. There we go. Okay, how do you import these two backups database? Okay, first you need to connect to the MySQL server, and you need to create the database. So I'm going to say create database. I want to say cars 1, and also want to say cars 2, because I want to show you the difference between export the all all database and just the database name. Okay, in that case I say show databases cars. Okay, let's go back. Oh, sorry, here let's say exe. I want to say It's a MySQL, right? MySQL dump -u for root. We don't need a -p because I don't create the password, but I will need the database name. It's cars1 redirect menus. It's a tmp database 1. You see? Something wrong or something good? Very well. Oh no, all blah blah blah, all time blah blah, dump complete. Huh. I want to say the same thing, but I want to use the, now let me double check the name of the table is cars, the database cars2, and the database is 2 also. I want to check just in case. Database 2. And here we go, I did it. So now let's connect to the MySQL. Let's say show databases. Okay, use cars1. Okay, show tables. There are no tables. Why? This is weird. Use cars2. Okay, show tables. Also, there are no tables. There's something wrong on the import. So, oh, it got error unknown database cars when selecting the database. Cars1 complete. There's something wrong. I use cars1. There are no tables. Something wrong. Let me import again because I did the this. They are going to overwrite. Oh, it's maybe because I need to. No, I don't need to. Let me see the command that I run. It's MySQL dump. Yeah, that should write the name of the table and the database name. I don't know why it's not working. Let's copy it again over. I say ls dash ll-rth is in tmp. Okay, this is the two database. You see, 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, I want to save my let me connect to MySQL. Show databases. Cars1. Say drop database cars1 and cars2. Show it's empty. Okay, let's create database cars. Okay, let's see. Me now import cars. Dump 1, 2 cars. Enter. Okay, looks good. I don't see any major issues here. I want to show, let's see if I know. Database change, okay. Why? It's so weird. This is the way that how you can import the database, but I don't see what is the issues. Probably let me MySQL secure installation. Let me do secure installation probably because I type password as password. You see? Okay, it's fine. Yes, remove everything. Let me connect again. Okay, I need a password. The password is password. Let's say show databases. Okay, drop. No, drop no. Okay, now going to import this. Okay, cars one. Okay. Oh, now I need a -p. That's -p. Okay, the same thing. I don't know what is the difference, but there are probably something wrong on the. See? Oh, yeah. Something wrong on this. Oh, use oh, probably. Wait a minute. Probably I need to connect as SQL user 2. Alright, this is another part is SQL user 2. As a deny SQL oh, user 3, right? SQL user 3. It's localhost. Oh, right. I need like this and this. No. Which one? What is the user have a whole? I can't. I don't know why. But this is the way. How do you import the database? So if I go here to my database, right? I want to say show database, right? I want to say drop cars, drop database cars. I want to say show database is empty. Now I create a new database called like a cars, like a new I want to call new cars, right? Show database is new cars, right? Going to exe, I'm going to do the MySQL dump, right? In that case, redirect to new cars. So I create a new database, I delete the old one, I create a new one. Now I'm going to import the database. See? MySQL, blah blah blah, password, it's password. I have the same output that I did on the other server. Now let's connect to the database. Show database. Okay. Use new cars and show tables. Why is empty? I don't know why it's empty because I import on the right way. It looks like it's empty. Let me check my history. Okay, I import all database to this one, and also I do the same thing, just cars to dump 2. See, dump 2. So let me try with 2, probably. I don't know now. Oh, I use the 2. No, I need to use the 1. Oh, because it's the old database. Something wrong. Something wrong with the export. So I don't know what is. Maybe I can go here and say let's. Okay, no. I'm going to insert into no insert. I want to create a table again. Okay, I'm now going to insert some data. Okay, insert, boom. I'm going to change just the numbers in order to go faster on this video because it's something wrong. Okay, here we go. Now I say and select start from inventory. Okay, here we go. I'm going to the name is new cars. See? Okay, I'm gonna see now my SQL dump. I want to create it on the root. I don't trust this. It's database 1, right? BUMP. I want to say is the database is new cars, right? Okay, new cars. Hit enter. Password. Okay. Now let's connect to the database. I'm going to create database very new, right? Oh, database very new. Oh, always I have a very new. Okay, now I'm going to my SQL dump to the very new, but in that case it's gonna be the old side like this, right? Yes, like this. I hope now it's gonna work. I hope, because I don't know what's wrong on the previous one, because there are no other way to do that. It's just on that way. The name, the dump, enter, password, same output. So probably something wrong with my SQL. Show databases. My SQL no, Mariadb. New cars. Use new cars. Okay. You can turn off this feature, turn blah blah. No, it's right. Show tables. Now you can see the tables. So if I say describe inventory, there we go, and I say select, right, start from inventory, You can see everything. Now let's try to export this. So I create the dump, is this one, right? Oh, sorry, and I create the dump. So we're going to do like a, okay, it's on root, it's our source CP, okay, to another server, because I want to show you this. I want to put on the root also, but I'm going to verify what is on root over here. pwd ll, nothing. Okay, cool. Gonna put on the root, enter. Okay, let's here and let me connect to the MySQL. Okay, let's say, let's create a new create database. I want to say like a Fidel. Let's say my last name, Valero. Okay, show databases. Let's say Valero. Okay. Let me see the type the password over here. Okay, there we go. He created. He copied. Sorry. And I say ll-rth. You can see the database. So I want to say MySQL dump dash user root dash people for password at the database. You're gonna see Valero. I'm going to send all, come on, send all this database dump one password output as same as the other one. I don't know what was the issue. Connect, show, no, I see, I know, use Valero, show tables, labels, that's good, show tables. This is interesting. I can import from different host name from different table from different host. That's really interesting. But if I do something like this, for example, I'm gonna say, you're gonna say, please, I need the database option. See, database or table, then see the option all database. I'm gonna say all databases. Oh, very good. I think it's working now. Okay. Troubleshoot database is very hard. And so that's why. Okay, let's say use Valero. Use, yeah, Valero, why not? So tables empty. Use use cars. Empty. I don't know why it's empty, but you see how when I export and import the make a backup from the database and then restore the database and works perfectly. So, but we see all the topic of all the important topic, how to backup and restore and create a single database schema and perform some SQL queries. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.